No water in the Palisades. The infrastructure has been a big problem around here, and where we should spend the money. It's I do have a difference with that.
Yeah.
And the mayor coming back, I'm sure she got on the first plane coming back, but having nothing to say once she got here. I don't know if that was edited like that, but
yeah, not a good look.
You got to hit the ground running.
Right.
Los Angeles is running out of water as the Pacific Palisades wildfire forces 30,000 residents to evacuate, with a state of emergency declared. Firefighters battling the blaze, which is burning through about 5 football fields a minute, warned they were running out of water and supplies.
It really just comes in waves, but I just want to go home. I just want to see all my stuff and sit on my couch. And I just really want to go home. I'm so homesick.
Shocking facts about Los Angeles wildfire right now. 1. Over 29,000 acres have burned already. That's bigger than 20,000 football fields combined. 2. The fires are still 0% under control. Hurricane-force winds keep making them bigger and more dangerous. 3. Insurance companies dropped fire coverage for thousands of homes before these fires. Now families who lost everything will get no money to rebuild. 4. 1 in 3 firefighters are prison inmates risking their lives for only $5 to $10 per day. 5. Even though these are the worst fires in city history, Los Angeles just cut $17.5 million from the fire department's money. 6. The damage has reached over $50 billion, making it one of the most expensive disasters in US history. 7. More than 100,000 people have had to run from their homes. 8. The fire department desperately needs workers, but can't hire despite many wanting the job. There's no money. 9. The most shocking part, just 1 block away from where homes are burning to ash, coffee shops are open, and people are working like nothing's...
ये कोई गाजा या फलस्तीन नहीं, बल्कि दुनिया का अमीर तरीन मुल्क अमेरिका है। कुछ दिन पहले ये हालत फलस्तीन की थी और अब ये हालत सिर्फ और सिर्फ अमेरिका की है। यहाँ अमेरिका के शहर लॉस एंजलिस के एक जंगल में आग लगी और आग इतनी तेजी से फैली जिसको काबू करना बेहद मुश्किल हो गया और ऊपर से तेज हवा चली जिससे आग बारिश की तरह आगे बढ़ी और कई हजारों घरों को राख कर दिया, लोगों को घर छोड़ने पर मजबूर कर दिया।
Arnold Schwarzenegger is a legendary icon, excelling in bodybuilding, acting, and leadership. This is Arnold Schwarzenegger's house in Los Angeles, California, priced in at $22.4 million. The sprawling estate spans 14,500 square feet and features 7 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Arnold Schwarzenegger's mansion is a breathtaking estate, combining modern luxury with timeless elegance. The property boasts sprawling gardens, a private gym, and grand architecture, all reflecting his legendary career and personal style. It's a perfect symbol of his achievements and unique taste. Inside, custom-designed interiors showcase his unique taste and success.
The 3 celebrities who lost their properties amid the Palisades fire. Part 2. The last one will make you cry. Number 3. Anthony Hopkins. The 87-year-old Oscar-winning actor's Malibu estate, valued at $15 million, was completely destroyed by the Palisades fire. This mansion, spanning 7,000 square feet, housed his extensive art collection, including over 100 of his own paintings. His art collection alone was worth over $1.5 million. Number 2. Miles Teller. The 37-year-old actor lost his Cape Cod-style residence, which he just purchased for $7.5 million in 2024, spanned 5,000 square feet and featured 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Tragically, the property, along with a classic sports car, was reduced to rubble. Number 1. John Goodman. The 72-year-old actor's Malibu residence, worth approximately $10 million, was consumed by the flames. The beachfront property, spanning 5,500 square feet, was a retreat for Goodman and his family. His loss adds to the extent extensive damage caused by the wildfires in the area.
Please stop swirling. I'm a Los Angeles native. I was raised and I was born and raised in Los Angeles. I lived all over LA. This is not normal. Okay? This is not normal. They're trying to do something. They're burning down my hometown. If you're laughing about this, fuck you. All my memories. All my fucking memories, my old childhood. These are regular people. You know how many black people live in Los Angeles? Do not make jokes about this. It's stretching it all over. They're burning down LA. Fuck you guys if you're laughing about this. Fuck you.
हैरान है 1 लाख लोगों को इवैक्यूएट किया जा चुका है करीब 2000 घर जल चुके हैं 6 बड़े स्कूल कैंपसेस में आग फैल चुकी है अमेरिका के कैलिफोर्निया में आग के भयानक दृश्य नजर आ रहे हैं
Celebrities who lost their homes in the Los Angeles fires. Number 5. John Goodman, his home in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles, was reduced to ashes in the devastating wildfires. After the fire, the backyard swimming pool was left as a charred ruin. Number 4. Anthony Hopkins. His $6 million California estate was destroyed in the Los Angeles fires, leaving only a burnt fence as the sole reminder of what was once a beautiful property. Number 3. Miles Teller. His $7.5 million Pacific Palisades home was burned to the ground in the devastating Los Angeles wildfires, leaving nothing but rubble, just like many others nearby. Number 2. Anna Faris. She bought the 4,000 square foot home for nearly $5 million in 2019, and now new images show it scorched down to its foundation. Number 1. Paris Hilton. She's one of the celebrities who lost their homes due to a series of deadly wind-driven fires in Southern California. Her beachfront Malibu villa was burned down.
बहुत सारे हॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज के घर चल के राख हो गए हैं उनमें से एक एडम अर्लेटन है उनका ये घर $6.5 मिलियन का था 5 bedroom 6 bathroom और ये इनकी recent movies है
We have an update on the news out of California, where Governor Gavin Newsom has now declared a state of emergency as a fast-moving series of fires have spread over more than 2,900 acres in Los Angeles. That is twice the number of acres we reported earlier this hour, just a shocking and staggering expansion. Again, this fire is being fueled by intense winds that are only expected to get stronger overnight. It's worth remembering that this is a dense urban area. This is Los Angeles, California. This fire has already forced more than 30,000 residents to evacuate, and there are more than 10,000 structures at risk.
This is what we know this morning. 6 people have so far been
हॉलीवुड जल गया कई सितारों के घर राख बन गए अमेरिकी शहर लॉस एंजलिस के जंगल में खौफनाक आग भड़कते शोलों ने हॉलीवुड हिल्स को भी लपेट में ले लिया पब्लिक पार्क हॉलीवुड वॉल समेत दीगर मशहूर मकामात में शोले भड़क रहे हैं ऑस्कर अवार्ड याफ्ता एंथनी हॉपकिंस हॉलीवुड स्टार बेन एफ्लेक पेरिस हिल्टन एडम ब्रोडी माइल्स टेलर जॉन गुडमैन और जेम्स वुड्स आलीशान घरों से महरूम हो चुके हैं 29,000 एकड़ पर फैली जंगल की आग के बायस 1,80,000 अफराद को नकल मकानी की हिदायत आग से अब तक 7 अफराद हलाक और दर्जनों जख्मी हो गए सदर जो बाइडेन फायर स्टेशन पहुंच गए रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन का जायजा दिया
America will face a snowstorm from January 15th to January 23rd, marking the coldest winter ever recorded in Simpson. The snow piled so high that doors were blocked shut. When Homer tried opening his front door, a wall of snow fell on. Temperatures dropped so low that cars refused to start and water pipes froze, burst, causing chaos. Schools were shut for days, and even Mr. Burns' nuclear plant became too cold to operate. At the Quickie Mart, the slushies turned into solid ice blocks. People in the town struggled to keep warm, with families gathering in one room to share body heat. Everyone wore as many clothes as they could. Homer wore 3 pairs of pants. Lisa read her books wearing mittens. It was and Bart.
I don't know, Mommy. I'm fucking gone. We're gonna go to the cave someday.